The Bulgarian economy operates on the principle of a free market. It has a large private sector and a smaller public sector. The strongest sectors in Bulgaria are energy, mining, metallurgy, machinery manufacturing, agriculture and tourism. Its main industrial exports are clothing, iron and steel, machinery, and refined fuels. In this video, we will show you the biggest current and future projects in Bulgaria. But first, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Bulgaria will rebuild a power line in western Bulgaria. Terna will build the track, chain and chassis for the Dragman-Petic division. Its length is 20.9 kilometers from Sofia to the Bulgarian-Serbian border, and at a distance of 33 kilometers from Dragman-Petic Volo. From the design and construction of the signaling and communication systems in the Yake division. The Dragman-Petarch project includes civil engineering, earthworks, bridge and flyover construction, laying of tracks and construction of 4 railway stations, and electrification of the line. The project is expected to be completed in 2025. Investment to amount €154.7 million. Pipeline linking Bulgaria and Serbia. Bulgaria is expected to start building a gas link with Serbia. It is considered in one of the priority projects of the High-Level Commission on Energy Delivery in Central and Southeastern Europe. The 109 km Nice-Dimitrovgrad pipeline will be built to connect the natural gas distribution system in Bulgaria. The project is expected to be completed by May 2023. The total investment value of the project is estimated at €85.5 million, equivalent to $101.6 million. Bulgaria started building an office and logistics complex in Sofia. This is the largest logistics center of the Orbico Group in Bulgaria. The facility will cover an area of 57,000 square meters, including 32,000 square meters storage space, and an office space of 4,500 square meters and associated infrastructure. Offices and logistics centers will create 500 jobs. The project was built according to the requirements of the future Bulgarian company Orbico. The cost of the project is estimated at $29.6 million, equivalent to €26.5 million. About 280,000 people will have access to a more reliable water source thanks to the project. It will be the new and improved infrastructure for wastewater treatment, capable of handling pollution loads equivalent to those normally produced by about 53,000 people. The project will be implemented in 2 phases. Include work in urban areas and outside of protected areas within the network. About 7 kilometers of water supply infrastructure will be established. 158 kilometers will be reconstructed. Additional supply items include construction of water treatment facilities from Kamkia and Yasna Polyana drinking water treatment plants, and the establishment of codified areas and mechanisms to relieve pressure. The project aims to improve the quality of life for the residents by protecting water sources and creating job opportunities. The total investment in the project is €237 million. The project will expand the waste management system in Sofia by providing additional capacity for household waste recycling, by increasing waste recycling for energy production and reducing landfill use. The cogeneration plant will be able to process 180,000 tons per year. The energy recovery method and boiler design will ensure a high level of efficiency. This allows it to produce enough heat to meet the needs of 40,000 households and electricity for 30,000 households. Heating will be provided to the central heating network in Sofia and electricity will be connected to the national grid. Construction of the plant is scheduled to begin in 2021. The plant is expected to be completed in 2023. The project cost is estimated at €189 million. This project upgrades the railway line to core network standards. Development of the railway infrastructure between the cities of Plovdiv-Burgas and southeastern Bulgaria. This means faster passenger flights and better connections with neighboring countries. The line extends for 293 kilometers, including 140 kilometers of single track. It forms part of the Trans-European Transport Network, TEN-T, the Eastern Mediterranean Corridor, which connects Central Europe with the Mediterranean in the south and north with Germany. This investment covers the second phase of rehabilitation of the line. The upgraded track will meet train speeds in excess of 100 km per hour, and up to 160 km/h in certain sections. The second phase will cost €41.5 million. The 182.5 km gas pipeline extends from Cogeneration in Greece to Stara Zagora in Bulgaria, to improve security of supply while diversifying the routes and sources of gas imports for both countries and the broader Southeast European region. The annual transportation capacity of the pipeline is 3 billion cubic meters of natural gas per year. It is designed for gas transmission with forward and reverse flows. The production capacity will be increased to 5 billion cubic meters annually by installing an intermediate compressor station. The total investment is €240 million. Public transportation in the Bulgarian capital Sofia. Sofia Metro Line 3 runs in the northeast to southwest direction. The completion of phases 1 and 2 of Line 3 is expected to add 12 kilometers of lines and 12 metro stations in addition to 20 new metro trains. When the Sofia metro network is completed, the lines are supposed to reach 52 kilometers and 47 stations by the end of 2021. The total co-financing from the European Union for a Line 3, Phase 1 and 2 is €454.8 million. Daily passenger numbers for the Sofia Metro are said to rise. It is 96,000 people. About 80,000 of them are likely to use Line 3. The reductions in travel times are expected to result in savings to the economy in excess of €19 million. In your opinion, which of these projects is the best in Bulgaria? Are there projects that we did not mention? Write it down in the comments. Here we come to the end of the video. Share the video and subscribe to the channel.